Hey there, fellow e-commerce enthusiasts. Ever feel like the ground is shifting beneath your feet in the fast-paced world of dropshipping? Remember the good old days of Oberlo, that trusty sidekick for sourcing products on Shopify? Well, if you've been in the game for a while, you know that chapter has closed. But that begs the question, what exactly has stepped into its shoes? What's the new go-to for finding those winning products and seamlessly importing them into your online store? For years, Oberlo was synonymous with dropshipping on Shopify. It was the bridge that connected countless entrepreneurs with suppliers on AliExpress, simplifying the often daunting task of product sourcing and order fulfillment. With its intuitive interface and seamless integration, Oberlo lowered the barrier to entry for anyone wanting to dip their toes into the world of e-commerce without the hassle of managing physical inventory. You could browse products directly within Shopify, import them with a click, and even automate parts of the order processing. It was a game changer. But as the e-commerce landscape evolved, so did the needs of dropshippers. The limitations of Oberlo, particularly its exclusive reliance on AliExpress and its eventual acquisition and shutdown by Shopify in June 2022, paved the way for a new generation of tools and platforms. The market demanded more flexibility, a wider range of suppliers, and often more advanced features. So, what rose from the ashes of Oberlo? It wasn't a single successor, but rather a diverse ecosystem of apps and platforms, each offering its own unique approach to product sourcing and dropshipping management. Think of it less as a single replacement and more as a collection of powerful alternatives catering to different needs and preferences. One prominent category of replacements is other dedicated dropshipping apps within the Shopify App Store. Many of these, like Fiverr, Siege Dropshipping, and Zendrop, offer similar functionalities to Oberlo, allowing you to browse and import products from various suppliers, often including AliExpress but also expanding to other platforms and even private suppliers. These apps often boast features like bulk order processing, automated inventory updates, and more advanced pricing rules. Some even offer sourcing agents who can help you find specific products or even private label your own goods. Then there are platforms that take a broader approach to e-commerce integration, connecting you not just with dropshipping suppliers but also with print-on-demand services and even wholesale marketplaces. Apps like Spocket, for instance, focus on connecting you with suppliers primarily based in the US and Europe, offering potentially faster shipping times and higher quality products. This addresses one of the common criticisms leveled against AliExpress-based dropshipping: longer delivery times. Another significant shift has been the rise of direct integration with supplier platforms. Instead of relying solely on a third-party app, some dropshippers are opting to work directly with platforms like AliExpress or other wholesale marketplaces, using tools and integrations provided by those platforms themselves or through more general e-commerce automation tools like Zapier. This approach can offer more control over the supply chain and potentially lower costs, but it often requires a bit more technical know-how. Furthermore, the concept of product research tools has become increasingly important in the post-Oberlo era. While Oberlo offered some basic insights, dedicated tools like SaleWho, Niche Scraper, and Hunt provide more in-depth analytics on product trends, competitor analysis, and potential winning niches. These tools help dropshippers identify profitable products before even connecting with a supplier, adding a crucial layer of strategic planning to the process. The landscape has also seen the emergence of all-in-one e-commerce platforms that integrate dropshipping functionalities directly into their core offering. While Shopify remains a dominant force, platforms like Salesforce and others are building in features that streamline the entire e-commerce process, from product sourcing to store management and marketing. So, to answer the initial question, there isn't one single entity that has replaced Oberlo. Instead, a more diverse and arguably more powerful ecosystem has emerged. Dropshippers now have a wider array of options to choose from, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. The key is to understand your specific needs and business goals and then select the tools and platforms that best align with them. Whether you prioritize a wide selection of products, faster shipping times, advanced automation, or in-depth product research, there's likely a solution out there that fits the bill. The end of Oberlo wasn't the end of dropshipping. It was merely the beginning of a new, more dynamic era. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.